Welcome back to Autopulse, the one-stop destination for all things powerful, extreme, and loaded with adrenaline. Today, we're diving into the beast that's been making waves in the armored warfare world. It's bold, it's ruthless, and it bites hard. This is the Steel Viper, a machine built to strike fast, dominate territory, and leave its enemies in ruins. From the moment you lay eyes on the Steel Viper, you know this isn't your average combat vehicle. It has a low-slung, intimidating profile, like a predator ready to pounce. Designed for both shock value and strategic supremacy, the Steel Viper combines futuristic design with battle-tested technology. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi war zone, but make no mistake, this monster is very real and very lethal. Under the hood, the Steel Viper is powered by a next-gen V12 hybrid turbo-diesel engine, generating over 1,600 horsepower. That's enough to send this 60-ton serpent surging across the battlefield at speeds over 80 kilometers per hour. And yes, it's not just fast for a tank, it's fast, period. Thanks to an advanced torque distribution system, the Viper can twist and turn with agility most tanks can't even dream of. Urban combat, narrow alleys, rough terrain, the Viper slithers through it all with deadly grace. But raw speed is only part of the story. Let's talk about armor. The Steel Viper uses adaptive reactive plating layered with graphene composites, a cutting-edge tech that can literally change its density depending on the type of incoming threat. RPGs, ATGMs, high-velocity rounds, they all find themselves deflected or absorbed with terrifying efficiency. Add in its active protection system, capable of intercepting incoming projectiles midair, and you've got a near-impenetrable beast that doesn't just survive, it thrives under fire. The Viper's main bite comes from its 135mm smoothbore cannon, which uses intelligent fire control to track, lock, and destroy targets with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't just brute force, it's precision engineering. The turret is fully stabilized, allowing for full-speed firing on the move. It can launch high-explosive rounds, armor-piercing fin-stabilized darts, and even guided smart shells. Whether it's taking out enemy tanks, fortified positions, or drones in the sky, the Steel Viper doesn't miss its mark. But it doesn't stop there. Mounted on either side of the turret are dual guided missile pods, each capable of launching 4 long-range anti-tank or anti-aircraft missiles. These aren't just dumb rockets, they communicate with the onboard battle system to adjust flight paths in real time, swarming enemy targets with ruthless coordination. Inside the cockpit, the tech feels like something straight out of a sci-fi command center. A holographic HUD displays real-time data, terrain analysis, and target tracking. The pilot and gunner are seated in a reinforced cockpit, surrounded by 360-degree cameras, thermal sensors, radar feeds, and a battlefield eye assistant that helps with navigation, targeting, and threat detection. This eye doesn't just follow orders, it learns. The more battles it sees, the sharper it becomes. Crew safety is another area where the Viper strikes hard. The interior uses a compartmentalized survival system. If one section is breached, the others seal off automatically. Automatic fire suppression, shock dampening seats, and even an emergency drone evac system are all part of the Steel Viper's survival game. It's designed to get its crew in and out even in the most hostile environments. So, who's using the Steel Viper? It's already being deployed in elite armor divisions and special rapid strike units. Militaries around the world are calling it a game changer, and for good reason. In field tests, it's outperformed legacy main battle tanks in speed, firepower, survivability, and adaptability. It's not just replacing older vehicles, it's redefining the role of the tank in modern warfare. What makes the Viper truly dangerous, though, isn't just its tech, it's the philosophy behind it. This isn't a machine designed to hold the line. It's made to take the fight to the enemy. Fast strikes, hit-and-run tactics, deep incursions behind enemy lines, and the Steel Viper is built for asymmetric dominance. It's as much a psychological weapon as it is a physical one. When you hear its engine roar and see it emerging through smoke and fire, you know the battlefield just changed. Maintenance-wise, It's built smart. Modular components mean it can be repaired or upgraded on the fly, even in forward operating zones. The onboard diagnostic eye constantly monitors performance and alerts engineers to any issues before they become critical. Less downtime, more uptime, and always ready to strike. There's even talk of a future variant of the Steel Viper XA which may include autonomous combat capabilities and swarm drone integration. Imagine a fleet of Vipers coordinating their strikes without human input. It sounds like the future, but it's closer than we think. So, what's the verdict? The Steel Viper isn't just a tank, it's a revolution. A predator designed to dominate the battlefield with speed, brains, and sheer force. Whether you're a military enthusiast, a future soldier, or just someone who loves the thrill of cutting-edge engineering, the Viper is a glimpse into the future of mechanized warfare. Alright warriors, that wraps up today's deep dive into the Steel Viper. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button, share the video with your squad, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Pulse for more raw, powerful, and unstoppable machines from around the world. Drop a comment below. Would you ride into battle with the Steel Viper, or would you rather face it? Let's hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay armored, stay fast, and stay lethal.